What it do, nasty crew?
Babe, what the fuck? Oh my god.
Oh shit. Y'all, so I've been wanting this shit, you know what I'm saying? One time, my sis made it for me. I loved it, you know what I'm saying? Love at first sight. Bae said she was trying to cook. Asked me what I wanted. That's what I told her. So we finna see what it's talking about.
That's crazy.
Damn. This shit is fire. This shit busting, y'all, no cap.
I don't know what.
Who's Olive Garden, bitch?
In fact,
Y'all know nothing about K Nasty. That's obvious. Put some respect on her name.
period.
Damn.
But
You really
we'll go
outdid
ahead
yourself,
and
man.
insert the originator of this meal. We'll insert her. Can't even talk.
I definitely can't.
You gonna insert her info right here.
Go tap on my sis, y'all. She do the custom shoes, you know what I'm saying? I need some custom shit done. Fuck with her.
Let's have to try it with the hot sauce real quick. See if it's talking about something.
So, I've been hearing everybody talk about Alfredo. It's hella good with hot sauce. So I'm finna try it for the first time. Bae already been put on. I'm about to see what it's talking about.
Yeah, I just feel like hot sauce is one of those
Goes good with everything.
every single thing.
Tell me something. Comment below something that hot sauce does not go good with.
Wow. And this pop. No, I haven't had Jones in years. Got it a couple weeks ago. Berry lemonade soda. Go buy this at your local Dillon's, Walmart. You think CVS got it?
I don't know right now. I don't know anything. Except
What's
for this
your
shit's busting. Mnassty.
You know the name.
I know that. Always, baby.
And it's hot.
I was gonna say, but it's too, you know, y'all know the shit be hella fire. The food be hella hot, but you just gotta keep eating it because that shit's so good. That's what's happening right now.
Sorry.
No, you good.
Don't say nothing about my hair. Mind your business.
I dare y'all to say something about your motherfucking ass.
It's right here. When you can't talk, that's when you know the food is fire.
I ain't nothing to fucking say. But this shit busting.
I need to get this tortellini. That tortellini shit is motherfucking
Fire.
y'all. This homemade Alfredo sauce, don't you fucking play. But this motherfucking sauce.
Alright, y'all. So, I know he ain't been in our videos in a minute. Here he is today. Say what up, son.
Yo, I'm about to make him an Instagram because my baby's so fucking cute. He is so cute. I finished my plate.
Hey, so...
Because Fat Mamas, Fat Ma, all 20. Anyways, like I said, Fat Ma 2020, baby.
Who's Fat Mom? Comment below games that y'all be playing and shit, because I need to get put on to some games for this shit. You know what I'm saying? I only got a couple games. I just got it. Fuck! Little raggedy bitch. Lose one more motherfucking goddamn time. About to fucking spaz in this bitch. What the fuck? Bae.
Yes, baby.
How is you even supposed to get past this part?
What does it say you're supposed to do?
It don't say a bitch ass thing. You supposed to just figure it out. Bruh.
I can't read my cat, but it says something is important this week.
Oh my god, bruh. Join the Mnassty crew. You know what I'm saying? You already know what to do. Mnassty, K Nasty, Rock Dog. Come fuck with us. Come fuck with us.
As soon as we get into this bed. If you have made it this far, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to become a part of the Mnassty crew. You already know what it do, baby. Boo. Okay.
Alright, but go ahead and make sure y'all tap in with the next video. We about to drop some more content for y'all back to back to back. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and tap in with that. Like Bae said before, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Interact with us. Fuck with us. We gonna fuck with y'all back. You know what I'm saying?
If you want to see more of my face, head over to my motherfucking channel at TheOriginalRose.
Alright then, we gonna fuck with y'all.